Hello students, I am Katosh sir. Today I am going to start your math chapter, a pair of linear equation in two variables, exercise 3.2, question number 4. Which of the following pairs of linear equation are consistent slash inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. First part, x plus y equal to 5, 2x plus 2y equal to 10, or x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. First equation, 2x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. Second equation. On comparing with standard form of pair of linear equation, we get a1 equal to 1, a2 b1 equal to 1, c1 equal to minus 5, a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to 2 and c2 equal to minus 10. Here a1 upon a2 equal to 1 by 2, b1 upon b2 equal to 1 by 2, c1 upon c2 equal to minus 5 upon minus 10. Minus cancel, 5 1 ja 5 2, 1 by 2. Thus a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. So the pair of linear equation is consistent. Taking equation first, we get x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, x plus y equal to minus 5, x plus y equal to 5, x equal to 5 minus y. Equation third, put y equal to 0 in the above equation, x equal to 5 minus 0, x equal to 5. Put y equal to 5 in the third equation, x equal to 5 minus 5, x equal to 0. Put y equal to 3, x equal to 5 minus 3, x equal to 2. Taking equation second, we get 2x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0, 2 common, 2 bracket x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. That is x plus y minus 5 equal to 0 upon 2, x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, x plus y equal to 5, x equal to 5 minus y. Equation 4. Similarly, we can solve as equation third. We get the values of x and y, 5 0 0 5 2 3. These are the coordinates of x and y of equation 4th and equation 3rd. Represent the coordinates of equation 3rd and 4th in the graph like this. Both the lines are passes through same point, hence the two lines are coincident. So pair of linear equation has infinitely many solutions and hence consistent. Second part, x minus y equal to 8, 3x minus 3y equal to 16, or x minus y minus 8 equal to 0, 3x minus 3y minus 16 equal to 0. On comparing with the standard form of pair of linear equation, we get here a1 equal to 1, b1 equal to minus 1 and c1 equal to minus 8, a2 equal to 3, b2 equal to minus 3, c2 equal to minus 16, a1 upon a2 equal to 1 by 3, b1 upon b2 equal to minus 1 upon minus 3, minus cancel, equal to 1 by 3, and c1 upon c2 equal to minus 8 upon minus 16, minus cancel, 8 1, 8 2 ja, 8 2 ja 16 equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. So, the pair of linear equation is inconsistent. Third part, 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Equation first, 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Equation second. On comparing with the standard form of pair of linear equation, we get here a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 1, c1 equal to minus 6, a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to minus 2 and c2 equal to minus 4. a1 upon a2 equal to 2 upon 4, that is 1 by 2, b1 upon b2 equal to 1 by minus 2 and c1 upon c2 equal to minus 6 upon minus 4, that is 2 by 3. Therefore, a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. Hence, the given pair of linear equation is consistent. Taking equation first, 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0, 2x plus y equal to 6 and 2x equal to 6 minus y on x equal to 6 minus y upon 2. Equation third. Put the value of 0 in the equation third, x equal to 3. Put the value of 2 in equation third, 6 minus 2 upon 2, that is 2. Put y equal to 6 in the third equation, we get x equal to 6 minus 6 upon 2, x equal to 0 upon 2, that is x equal to 0. This is the coordinates of x and y of equation third, 3, 0, 2, 2 and 0, 6. Taking equation second, 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, common to both, 2x minus y minus 2 equal to 0 upon 2, 2x minus y minus 2 equal to 0, 2x minus y equal to 2, 2x equal to 2 plus y and x equal to 2 plus y upon 2. Equation fourth. Put the value of 0 in the fourth equation, x equal to 1. Put the value of 2 in the above equation, x equal to 2 plus 2 upon 2, x equal to 4 upon 2, x equal to 2. Put the value of y equal to 4 in the equation fourth, x equal to 2 plus 4 upon 2, x equal to 6 upon 2, that is 3. X and y coordinates 1, 0, 2, 2, 3, 4. These equation values, these the coordinates of x and y of equation third and fourth represent in the graph. First equation third represent 3 points, and equation second, equation fourth represent 3 points of these lines passing through this point, and they intersect each other at point 2 and 2. Hence, the unique solution is x equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. Fourth part, 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. First, 4x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Second, on comparing with standard form of pair of linear equation, we get a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to minus 2, c1 equal to minus 2, a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to minus 4, c2 equal to minus 5. a1 upon a2 equal to 2 upon 4, that is 1 by 2. b1 upon b2 equal to minus 2 upon minus 4, that is 1 by 2. c1 upon c2 equal to minus 2 upon minus 5, that is 2 by 5. Hence, the pair of linear equation is inconsistent. Why it is inconsistent? Because it is no solution. Therefore, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2.